This evening, while scrolling on my Facebook, I ran into a very disturbing video. A video of someone who went to interview some of our brothers in Ikwerre land. You know, we have been having series of denials. People denying their Igbo identity. People mistaking their migration from Anidu to be that they are not Igbo people. Because in their mind, to be an Igbo person, you must have migrated from somewhere in the southeast. So this group of people who were interviewed took a swipe at the Igbo people. I'm going to take time to play the video. So please take your time, patiently watch the video. I know it's very annoying, but please take your time to listen to the people who were interviewed, our brothers from Ikwerre land. What they had to say about Igbo people is very disturbing.
Yes, Igbo people, the reason why Igbo people want to associate with Ikwerre, they are crying for Ikwerre to associate with them because of the works, the oil. Because in River State, you are not lacking anything. If you come for River State,
the soil is good.
Everything, whatever you need in River State, you have it. Is it food? Is it yam? Whatever. Our own is quite different from others.
But they said you people don't have more millionaires than you.
Oh, you don't understand. We don't travel because why Igbo people always travel because we don't have anything in their place. They go outside. They can go any country you go. You do not see the Igbo man. Please run away. Ikwerre man, the rivers man is not ready to travel because we have everything. You can go, river area people can go to river. By the time you kill 3, 4, 5 fish, you don't eat. You can train your children for school. If people don't have any, don't have bush to farm, they don't have anything. So their own way of succeeding is to go out of their place. You go there, you see mansions they build. Nobody's living there. Sun doesn't come. Grass have covered everywhere. They don't have anything. So you don't blame them. Why are they? Any place in this world, wherever you go,
in the language.
People love you so much. They love you to be part.
They don't love us. They want something. They need something from us. That is, they have been looking for this thing since 1933. Since 1933, that they have been looking for it. You understand? They don't love us.
Now, it is the height of ignorance to think that Igbo people have nothing in their homeland, and that is why they are economic nomads. It is the height of ignorance to also think that the Igbo people are less in terms of the deposit of natural resources in their place. Any natural resource you can think about that you have in any part of whether Niger Delta or Northern region is also found in the southeastern part of Nigeria and other parts of Igbo homeland, not only the eastern heartland. Contrary to what our Ikwerre brother here just said, there's a lot of natural resources in the southeast, and I'm going to list them one after the other. Let's begin with crude oil, which for them is the most important natural resource that they believe is in Ikwerre land, and maybe that is what we are looking for as Igbo people. No, but let's look at crude oil. Crude oil is one of the major mineral resources in Igbo land. Igbo states where crude oil are found in Nigeria include Imo State, Abia State, and Anambra State. Also, crude oil are found in Delta and Rivers states, but these two are not full Igbo states. It is mixed up states with numerous tribes, which is very correct. There have been a lot of misconception about crude oil in Igbo land. The fact is that Igbo states like Abia, Imo has crude oil reserves and oil wells. Hence, these states are part of Niger Delta states. Crude reserve and oil wells in Anambra State is yet to get approval for full exploration. This answers the questions of, is there crude oil in Igbo land? Yes, there is crude oil in Igbo land, and we have proven it. Natural gas. Natural gas is another mineral resource in Igbo land. Igbo states that has natural gas are Anambra State, Rivers State, Abia State, and Delta State. It was noted by officials of Anambra State government that the state has the largest natural gas reserve in Nigeria. Anambra State has the largest natural gas reserve in Nigeria, not Rivers State. Coal. Enugu State is the only Igbo state that has coal. This is part of natural resources that can be found in Igbo land or Igbo states. Granite. This is another natural resources found in Igbo land. In Nigeria, granite is popularly called chippings and gravel. Igbo states where granites are found are Ebonyi State and Enugu State. Gold. Which Igbo state has gold in Nigeria? This is a very recurring question constantly asked by many. States where gold are found in Igbo land is just one, and it is Abia State. Salt. Salt is another natural resource that exists in Igbo land. Igbo states where salts are found is Ebonyi and Abia State. Iron ore. Iron ore, which is found heavily in Ebonyi State, is one of the natural resources that can be found in Igbo land. These are natural resources in Igbo land. Now, from the list I just made, you will agree with me that Igbo land is laden with natural resources. So, it is very, very wrong to posit or circulate the misinformation that Igbos are after the natural resources in the southeast, and that is why we are clamoring for Igbo unity. No. There's an abundance of natural resources in the eastern heartland. There's an abundance of natural resources in the Igbo homeland, in the eastern parts of Igbo land. There's an abundance of natural resources in all parts of Igbo land. River State not exclusive. So, when Igbos are clamoring for the unification of Igbos all over Nigeria, it is not because of the quest to secure the deposits of natural resources on their soil. Outside natural resources, if we look at human resources, you will agree with me that Igbos have the highest capacity in terms of human resources all over the world. If I begin to list out prominent achievements of Igbo people all over the world, positions held by Igbo people all over the world, whether in the private sector or in the public sector, it will take another video, and that another video I will take time to do. In the meantime, just watch this over and over again, share it, and also, very importantly, support what we are doing by giving us super thanks, also sharing our videos. Thank you, and do have a very wonderful day or evening depending on where you are. Remember to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, as well as share our videos. Thank you, and see you next time.
Enuani.